Redneck Robbie here with the RS1, as y'all saw climb the hill. Today, I'm going to be showing y'all how to take the seatbelt off of a RZR. Now, we're taking the seatbelt off because we have a roll cage that's custom, and the factory seatbelt doesn't work with it, so we're going to put some harnesses in. So, another thing that I want to point out is don't be an idiot like us. Y'all can't. Yeah, y'all can. Yeah, don't be an idiot like us and try to take out that bolt down there, because it has splines in it, so you cannot turn it. And we found that out the hard way. But, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all the proper way to take this off. So, what you'll need is a 19 millimeter socket and a ratchet. Alright, so here, hand me the light and you go home. I'm gonna have to get down here. Alright, so that bolt right there is the bolt that you're gonna want to take out to do this. Alright, so to remove this bolt, you're just gonna want to remove it. Alright, so let's this thing's very annoying to remove because of the angle that you gotta hold the ratchet at. Alright, it'll be easier for y'all because y'all won't be trying not to get your hands in the way of the video. Hopefully. Please donate some money to Redneck Robbie so we can get a new ratchet, because this one has been used too much. Our sponsors, Teams in the Mobile, have not decided to buy one yet. Alright, now that we've got it off, come around here, let's get our light. If y'all haven't seen another one of my videos working in the shop, always remember that you gotta have a light and your music going. Alright, so there's your seatbelt. Came right off after you undo that thing. And we're done. See you next time on Redneck Robbie.